Hi guys, this is an easy and simple chocolate cupcake recipe for beginners. You don't need a mixer for these soft and moist chocolate cupcakes. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your support, and if you're new on this channel, welcome, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification for exciting weekly updates. I decorated the cupcake with some buttercream and also dripped it with salted caramel. So the recipe calls for buttermilk and I don't have at home, so I made a substitute. That's half cup of milk and half tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice. Then stir it and let it sit for 5 minutes. Add 95 grams of all-purpose flour, 45 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk together and set aside. Break 2 large eggs in a bowl and add 1 cup of sugar. Add 1/3 cup of oil. Whisk it together until smooth. So we're going to alternate the buttermilk and the egg mixture. Pour half of the wet ingredients into the dry, then half of the buttermilk. Gently whisk for a while. Repeat and stir. So gently use your spatula to scrape the sides to make sure all the dry ingredients are mixed well. Line your 12 cupcake pans. This recipe makes 12 to 14 cupcakes. Fill the pan halfway. Bake in a preheated oven at 177 degrees Celsius for 18 to 21 minutes. You will know the cupcakes are ready when you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. Gently scoop the buttercream into your piping bag. So pipe whatsoever design you want to achieve. Just be creative, have some fun. You can follow me on other social media platforms at Claudia Cakery. Top it with some grapefruit and you can drizzle some caramel. Hope you enjoyed the video. I would like to know what you think in the comment section below. See you again next week.